Welcome to the Weather Centre on Thursday, where we can expect a change in the weather over the southern part of South Africa. A cold front brings in cooler weather and the possibility of rainfall. It's then followed by a ridging high, providing a strong onshore flow, which reinforces that cool weather and the possibility of rainfall, pushing it all the way through to KwaZulu-Natal by Thursday evening. It'll be a fine and dry day for the rest of South Africa, with warmer temperatures, and we're expecting windy conditions along the west coast into the afternoon. Our rainfall probability map shows up to a 40% chance of rainfall over parts of the Western and Eastern Cape, spreading through to KwaZulu-Natal on Thursday evening, but to the dry forecast for the rest of South Africa. It'll be a hot afternoon in the northeast, 30 degrees for Pretoria and Polokwane, as well as Mahikeng and Potchefstroom, 28 degrees for Johannesburg, with Thabazimbi and Bombela warming up to 33 degrees. We head into the mid-20s for Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg, just shy of 30 with a sunny forecast for Bloemfontein. You'll see cooler weather returning to the Eastern Cape, with most highs in the teens and low 20s, with the possibility of rain along the coast and the adjacent lying interior. East London can expect a fresh southwesterly wind with a fresh southerly wind for Port Elizabeth, and you'll see a strong southerly wind from Port St John's all the way through to Richards Bay, with a 2-metre easterly swell at 10 seconds along the east coast. A mild Thursday is in store for Graaff-Reinet and Worcester, both at 21, but with cooler weather and the possibility of rainfall from Robertson all the way through to Somerset East. A warm afternoon is expected for Vredendal at 27. A moderate southerly wind is expected into Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, both with a cool day in store. And then you'll see a moderate to fresh southeasterly wind as we head towards Muizenberg, with a 3-metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. 20 degrees for Sutherland, in the mid-20s for Calvinia, Carnarvon and 30 as we head towards Prieska and Kimberley. Along the west coast, we're expecting mild weather with highs mainly in the low 20s, with a strong southerly wind into the afternoon, but more of a moderate to fresh southwesterly wind for Lambert's Bay. And then we're expecting a 3-metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. On Friday, rain and cooler weather moves in over KwaZulu-Natal and into the Lowveld, with a few thundershowers over the eastern interior. A sizzling hot day is forecast in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Thursday.